Hey guys, I am back with Megalook hair and I'm so excited to be bringing this hair tutorial to you today. So I'm gonna start by braiding up my hair. Y'all already know you gotta get the braids in there, okay? You gotta get the braids in there and make sure that they are as flat as they can so that the wig will sit nice and tight. Now, I don't personally like to glue down my wigs. I just put on my wigs so that I can throw them on and take them off when I want. So I braid my hair as flat as I can and then I go ahead and put on my cap. Megalook Hair actually provided this wig cap, so thank you for this extra. All right, y'all, look how beautiful this hair is. Oh my gosh, I love this hair. Okay, so guys, I got the 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's ombre, obviously like this reddish, nice, oh, it's beautiful. It's red color and it's straight body wave. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm starting to cut off the lace. Come on, wet laces, gotta cut that thing off. The texture of this hair is so beautiful, guys. Like, it is so soft. Literally, from taking it out of the package, it was so beautiful. Like, if I wanted to just wear it straight out of the package without even doing any of this, I don't even have to. I don't have to do much to this hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wand curl it just to make the curls just a little nicer and bouncier and to lay everything down. If you want to use some stuff on it, like a little bit of gel, you can, just to make sure that the curls stay, but you don't have to do that, and I didn't do that for this time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs. Y'all know you gotta cut the baby's hair, so you can go ahead and just slick them down, and it makes everything just look so much more natural and make it look like it's coming out of your scalp, girl. So you can take any type of edge control, honestly, and just go ahead and do this. Now, make sure y'all are not just doing the baby hairs for the wig, y'all. Make sure you're doing your baby hairs too if you're not gluing it down. Now, if you're gluing down the wig, okay, that's something different. But if you're doing like me and you're able to just like slap it on and take it off, do your own baby hairs. That just makes it look so much more realistic and natural. I love the fact that this hair doesn't shed that much. Yes, okay, all hair has a little bit of shedding, but it really doesn't have that much shedding. It is gorgeous. I love this hair. I'm not gonna lie to you, and this is not just because it's a sponsored video, but Megalook Hair is probably my favorite hair company now. I love the way that their hair is. Like, all my wigs that I get the most compliments on are from Megalook Hair. So make sure you guys get you a Megalook Hair wig, y'all. Get y'all some bundles, whatever suits your little fancy or whatever. But make sure you guys go ahead and buy from Megalook Hair. I will have my discount code in the description box, and I'll also just flash it up here. So make sure you guys use that so y'all can get some money off. You know we love to save the coin, but make sure you guys get some of this hair, okay? Love y'all.